Hello everyone, welcome to the R50 channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable AF preview on the Canon EOS R50 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button, and then we're going to go to the AF section and then subsection number 1 by using these 4 buttons to navigate through the menus. So here we have subsection number 2. We're going to select subsection number 2, and here we have the preview AF option. So we can select that by pressing the set button, and here you can either enable or disable this option. And once you're done, you can just exit out the menu and the settings will be automatically saved. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.